In this video, I'm going to give you a completely unbiased review of both FTMO and my Forex Funds. My guess is that you're deciding between the two of them and you want to know which one is a better option or a safer option or an easier option. And in this video, I'm going to answer those important questions for you. And why should you listen to us? Well, we've helped now like over 300 different traders become funded traders. So we have a lot of experience with all different prop firms, including my Forex Funds and FTMO. And at the same time, I'm going to give you an unbiased opinion. I don't have my affiliate link that I'm going to share with you, so I'm just going to tell you exactly what I think. Plus, I'm going to include this little spreadsheet down in the description below. This is a live document that's constantly being updated as new prop firms come onto the market. And if they meet our criteria, then we add them here. And this will allow you to analyze different prop firms versus different prop firms. And also at the very end of this video, I'll tell you about a prop firm that I actually prefer more than FTMO or my Forex Funds. So let's go ahead and let's get started here. First things first, FTMO. So FTMO is the largest. They've been around the longest. They definitely have the best reputation as far as payouts go and everything like that. But they do have some rules that I don't love. Compared to my Forex Funds, which we'll talk about here as well, it's a little bit cheaper option. It has been around for a little while at this point, not nearly as long as FTMO. And they do have experience with a lot of payouts. We've had a lot of people in our groups request and get payouts. But let's actually take a look at how these two different options actually stack up against each other. For the most part, they are similar. However, with the targets, the profit targets for FTMO is only 10% versus 8% for my Forex Fund. So it is about 20% easier on the profit target, as well as for phase two, they're both 5% profit targets. Now, as far as the drawdown requirements go, with FTMO, you have a 10% max loss and a 5% max daily loss. With my Forex Funds, you have a 12% and a 5%. So definitely my Forex Funds is a little bit easier to qualify for and to pass, about 20% easier. And they also only have 5 minimum trading days, whereas FTMO has 10 minimum trading days, which is kind of annoying. The other annoying thing about FTMO is that they don't allow you to trade through the news or hold trades over the weekend. So with my Forex Funds, you're allowed to do that, which is actually pretty cool. Now, as far as pricing goes, I'll show you the price for the 100K accounts. It's only $499 versus about 540 euros or $540, since the dollar and the euro are about the same right now. And they do both allow EAs. Now, let me talk about a couple things that I do actually like about my Forex Funds, and reason why I would say I would prefer them over FTMO, not only because it's easier, but also they have a cool thing where you can actually earn from phase one, where basically you get 2% of your trading profits after passing phase one. So phase one, you have to make 8% profit. You make 2% of 8%, which is not very much, but it's still something. And then you also make 4% of your trading profits by passing phase two. So phase two is 5% target. You make 4% of the 5%. So this is kind of cool. And they also offer to pay you 112% refund when you reach your first profit split. So you don't just get your challenge fee back, but you get 112% of the challenge fee back, which is just a small little thing that they do to try to differentiate themselves. And before I give you my concluding marks here, if you are interested in passing a prop firm challenge, go to fundedtraderfasttrack.com. We actually guarantee that we can help you become a funded trader, or we'll literally let you copy trade a 10-time funded professional Forex prop trader for free until you do. So go to fundedtraderfasttrack.com if you're looking for some help passing prop firm challenges and you'd like some sort of guarantee like this. So in conclusion, I actually really prefer my Forex Funds just because it is easier. They have paid out lots of people at this point. It is cheaper, and you do actually have opportunities to earn from phase one and get more than a 100% refund. Plus, I really like that also the fact that you can trade over the weekend and trade during news. So that makes it a lot easier. The one thing I would say that I don't like about my Forex Funds is that their max daily loss is calculated based on the equity, versus on FTMO, it's actually calculated based on the initial balance, which makes it a little bit easier. But all in all, I'd say I'd go for my Forex Funds. And actually, if we want to look at a prop firm that I like even more right now, is actually True Forex Funds. We've had a lot of success with True Forex Funds. They have no minimum trading days, which is really cool. It's really straightforward, simple. And we've had a lot of people pass prop firm challenges and get payouts here from True Forex Funds. Hey, if you thought this video was helpful, then you'll really find this next video helpful. It's basically going to show you how we passed around 300 prop firm challenges, all using a Forex robot without placing a single manual trade. So if you want to pass a prop firm challenge, check out this video right here.